Hello there and welcome back to my videos. In this video I want to speak about the Syncthing and how you can create a folder on your Debian, and then how you can move the backups from the Debian Linux to a Windows server when you're hosting the Syncthing's server software. It's not so hard, and I will of course guide you all the way, and you can do it the other way around, so you can do it in different ways, but I'll show how you can do it in the Linux, so it's working pretty smooth. The first thing we're gonna do, it's you go in for the right corner below and click on the thing, and then you subscribe to my channel, and then I'm pretty happy. If you have any questions, please make a comment below and I'll try to answer you as fast as possible. If you like the video, please like and share, and then I'll be very happy. So let's begin, and let's be guided how you can do this between a Linux and a Windows host. The first we're gonna do, it's going for the Linux host we have here. Then we want to say what we're gonna do. We know we have the user Syncthing, and this doesn't have access to anything. And what we're gonna do now should be I want to take a backup of all my etc folders here, and I want to say sudo mkdir.st folder, and inside this I will say sudo chown recursive st, and I want to set to Syncthing, and then I will say c folder here. chown recursive Syncthing, and then we're ready to go. ls yes, and now it's owned. I'll just see about. I need to give it the right permissions. So now this is the right permissions, and then we're going for the browser, and this is my Debian sandbox, and I want to add a folder. And before I'll say Debian 10 sandbox etc config files. That's what we're going to the folder labels here, and what I'm going to do now is say etc, and that's fine. We have the folder, and when we have to pick the folder, I want to go for the advanced. We only want to send only. We don't want to override anything about this this folder, and we want to ignore the permissions. We want to share this. We don't have it at any devices, so for now we just add it down here. And now you can see the etc permission denied. So we don't want to the SSL, so we can go inside to ignore patterns here and save it up and see what's wrong. Read only file system, and want to go inside ignore patterns. What we're gonna do now, it's GMP files. We don't want the SSL, and GMP files we don't want. So sg ignore, we don't have this file, so I want to create this file. Ignore, everything is fine. want to change the ownership of this. And going back to the browser. What we can do is going back for the terminal here and open up the /ignore and just say SSL. So if it's start with SSL, then we can just ignore that. And then you see here it's going away. So now we haven't not unshared that, so I'll just add remote devices, and for that we're gonna do for the server element here, and I'll just say show the ID and edit copy, and I'll go back for this one and call it Windows Server 2090 sandbox, and I will save it. And then I want to edit, and I will share this one and up to date disconnected. So if everything here it's running perfectly, then I will got to move here to the server one. So what's it's asking about here? So it's just saying this read-only file system. So we still need some temp about this. So yeah, let's do this. So let's see about the folders is going run here, and we say add devices, and we are pretty fine with that. We just call it Debian. Then we have Debian 10 sandbox, and it's asking about the folder, but before we do this, I'll just see it inside here. And then we edit. I will say the C backup files, and then we are good to go. So let's see about how it's working inside here, and now you can see the process here. And what I'm gonna do now is taking a backup of my total Linux folder here, and let's going back to the Linux folder and see what happened. You just say okay for that. So now it's everything is running perfectly, and that's how you can back up the Linux system directly to your machine. And yeah, it's working pretty good, and it's an easy way to always have backup of your data. You can see my data is only having like 2 megabytes or something like that. It's all your configuration on your Linux. Sometimes it's pretty neat to have a backup of that. So thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoy, and thank you for coming here, and I really hope you want to subscribe my channel. You can do it in the right corner below, and click on the thing, and then you will subscribe to this channel. And I really hope you want to share this video and like it, and if you have any questions, please make a comments below, and I'll try to answer as fast as possible. Thank you so much, and hope to see you next time. Bye.